The essential components of CyberKnife VSA radiosurgery system are a small, mountable 6 MeV linear accelerator, which has a pencil beam type of radiation. So unlike the traditional linear accelerators, where a broad beam of radiation is delivered, here a pencil beam of radiation is delivered precisely to the organ which is being targeted at a sub-millimeter accuracy. This 6 MeV linear accelerator, compact, which is very compact, is mounted on a robotic manipulator so that we can focus the beam in any direction into the body. It need not be from front or side. It could bend, the robotic arm could bend in different directions so that it can precisely point the target organ. The other greatest advantage of CyberKnife radiosurgery system are, throughout the radiation treatment, X-ray tracking is being done. So perpendicular X-rays, oblique X-rays are being given, and which are detected on an image receptors, so that throughout the radiation process, the position of the patient is continuously monitored, and if there is any variation, it would be sent to the robotic manipulator so that it could alter its place, location, so that the radiation is given precisely to the targeted area. It also has a stereotactic robotic couch so that the patient could be placed, manipulated, positioned in different directions so that radiation can be delivered precisely onto the target organ. For different locations in the body, for example skull, there is a 6-dimensional tracking system so that the treatment could be pinpointed onto the target organ. For example, if you have a pituitary tumor, radiation can be delivered directly onto the pituitary gland without giving a bit of radiation to the surrounding trivial areas, surrounding vital organs and vital areas. If, for example, if you are giving it to the spine, we have a spine tracking system. Internal fiducials would be generally given if you are treating prostate or visceral organs, so that they could be monitored, tracked completely, and throughout the radiation delivery system, tracking is done so that the radiation is delivered precisely. Virtual respiratory monitoring being done so that even when the patients are breathing, when you are giving a lung tumor, there is no need to hold the breath. Even when they are breathing, radiation is delivered precisely. The robotic arm gets itself adjusted to the patient's respiratory movements, and radiation is delivered precisely so that even while patient is breathing, surrounding areas do not get unintentionally irradiated.